Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. BlendJet, the maker of the original portable blender with a remarkable backstory, is out with some new partnerships for the holiday season. The BlendJet 2 has added Disney princess designs. Families will love them. And there are new Happy Viking designs created with tennis great Venus Williams, who has a line of Happy Viking protein shakes. BlendJet co-founder and CEO Ryan Pamplin.
So at some point, we realized, we should do a collaboration together and design some beautiful BlendJets. And she helped come up with these 3 designs, which are really beautiful. So they've got her signature on the jar.
Performance of the rechargeable BlendJet 2 is very impressive, and you can find all of the designs and a marketplace full of healthy shake mixes. Feel free to create your own at BlendJet.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.